Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have a very exciting recipe for you. It's a flourless pizza in a pan. Yes, all in one pan. And it doesn't have any coconut flour, no almond flour, and neither does it have mozzarella cheese. I'm really excited about this recipe, and technically it uses just 2 ingredients. Let me show you what it looks like. Here we go. And I want to show you the bottom of it. Completely like a pizza. Something you can pick up and hold. So let's go to my kitchen and let's begin with 200 grams of paneer. You put it into a little blender. If you don't have paneer, you can also use squeezed out cottage cheese or queso fresco. Now I'm giving it such that it becomes little round bubbles. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk and half a cup of warm water put into lots. And mix again such that it comes into a dough. Of course, I've added just about half a teaspoon of salt, and now I'm bringing it all together into a dough, and I'm going to allow it to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I've got, by the way, this is just half the dough with which I'm going to make the pizza in the pan, because I have a smaller pan, but if you have a larger one, use the whole thing. And now I've taken the pan, I've brushed it with a little bit of olive oil, and I'm putting in the dough, or my rolled out dough. Now I'm just adjusting it into my pan, and I'm going to put it on the stove top after this on medium heat and allow it to cook for about 2.5 minutes, because we are going to make the whole pizza in the pan itself. After about 2.5 minutes, I'm adding my pizza sauce, some pepperoni, some mozzarella cheese, and I love jalapenos on my pizza. So I'm adding all that, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the pan and allow it to cook for another maybe 3-4 minutes until all the cheese has melted. And once you do that, it is going to be ready. A pizza, flourless pizza, and that too on the stove top. Now what more can I ask for? And look at that. That's the pizza. And it's come out absolutely wonderful. You can cut it into slices. You can hold it in your hand. And so thanks for watching. And do subscribe. Take care. Bye then.